Heyo, welcome back, my people. I was just getting all the bikes ready. Where am I going? Tennessee, the Smoky Mountain Small Bore Rally. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. I was washing everything up, and then I'm like, dummy, Super Clean sent me like a whole bunch of this stuff last year, a whole bunch of their products. I've been using Super Clean like forever, especially with greasy stuff. It is the absolute best, hands down. When I was rebuilding like Volkswagen engines, transmissions, that stuff just cuts through it. It's so beautiful. It just does an awesome job. On the YCF here, when I got it, the rear shock was just covered in grease, and it took it right back down to white like that. Then I've got the I don't know. I'm done cleaning this stuff, but I've been like, oh shit, I forgot to do a video, so I'm gonna clean this up from Rocky Boots. It looks horrible. It gets dirty really quick, but it's like just to give you be a really good before and after. So I'm gonna take that over, and we'll see what this stuff does. And this in the shade here. They got a foaming one also. That's just the stuff that I always used. I never realized they had all this other kind of stuff. But how you know this stuff is good is they tell you that you're supposed to wear gloves and eye protection when you use this stuff. Anything that's like gonna be good for the environment, or that you don't have to wear gloves or eye protection, that's gonna be garbage. This is the good stuff right here. They've been around for a long time. I should have asked when they, or looked it up when they first got started or whatever. I think Castrol owns them now. I'm not sure. I don't know anything about the company. I just know their stuff works, and this is what I always use on anything that's got any kind of grease or really crappy stuff. You got to be careful. It's so good. You got to kind of be careful with it and spot it, because it can like fade your paint and stuff if you get it on it and let it stay there. Usually you're supposed to dilute it as well, but this thing is so bad. Oh, there you can see on the red it's coming out. I always just use it straight, and then if it fades something, it fades it, and I'm just like, oh well, live with it. This thing is so nasty. I'm just using it straight here with no water. I'm gonna get some water on it. Yeah, get a little bit of water on it. There we go. All right, let's see how we do. Might need to hit it again, but yeah, one more time. But let's see how it pulls all that crap off. I went probably way too long before cleaning this again, because it's got on there real thick. But I'll hit this one more time, and it'll be nice and clean. I'll show you that here quick. All right, so here's what it looked like before, and now here is after. Super clean. Whoa. Look at that. Took all that garbage off of there. Nice and clean. No residue or anything. Can't tell you how well this stuff works yet. Like I said, you're supposed to dilute it. I just always use it straight, but it has changed paint on me before. It's dulled it down, so you want to check on that, test on that first, and then they give you a dilution chart and stuff too. But this is what I used. This is the original. Love this stuff. You can get it in really big containers, gallon containers. They got the foaming stuff now, and then they also have wheel cleaner. I haven't tried that yet, because I don't really wash my cars. But it probably work good on bike rims too. And then they have it in an aerosol can, which is kind of different. I don't know if that's straight. I would assume it's diluted, but I'm not sure. And then they have this floor absorber stuff too, which is awesome. It works really great for picking up oil, literally any kind of liquid, pulls it right up. This video is not sponsored by these guys. They just sent me this stuff, said I can make a video if I want. If I don't want to, no big deal. It works awesome, and I've used it for many, many years, so I figured I'd clue you guys in. Rocky Boots, best boots around, baby. Give them a chance if you can. They're worth it. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys at the next group ride, hopefully on one of these bikes. I'll have a video on this one here before too long. Put some lighting kit on it, light bar. Got a tail light. I'm testing right now to see how long that little battery works, at least for the tail light. It doesn't work for crap with the headlight. It like literally, I got a half hour out of it, so that's not going to work. So I got a bigger battery I'm going to try too, but I just want to see how long that little one's going to last, because I'm not going to have the parts and stuff before I leave for Townsend Small Bore Rally. But I hope to see you guys down there, and I will catch you on the next group ride. Peace.